Carnival starts here this afternoon at 3 o'clock and should be a great day for that as well. And of course, as you mentioned, golf tournament as well. And as we look ahead to this afternoon, we are going to see temperatures top off in the mid to upper 70s. We'll drop back pretty quickly this evening once the sun goes down. We've got some really dry air in place for this time of year, which means that during the afternoon things start to warm up in the sunshine and then cool back very quickly into the evening hours. Great sunrise out there and just a beautiful morning, a little on the cool side. But as the sun comes up and with the sun shining on us right now, things are at least starting to feel a little warmer out here, that's for sure. Temperatures themselves bottoming out in the upper 40s, kind of expected, but Mount Vernon down to 49 right now, Harrisburg 49, Carbondale still at 51, Paducah at 54, and a little bit warmer into the Missouri Boot Heel, where temperatures are into the mid to upper 50s. Cool weather sticks around through this afternoon despite the sunshine. We're talking about a northeast breeze running about 12 miles per hour, and that's going to make it feel a little brisk. We'll be back in the mid to upper 70s, which is just a few degrees below average for this time of year. Memorial Day weekend, it can kind of send us a whole different list of different types of weather, but this weekend, dry. We're talking keeping the humidity down and likely quite a bit of sunshine as well. Beautiful weekend for Memorial Day weekend. Enjoy it because next week, some of the hottest weather of the season is set to arrive. Cold front that moved through here that is bringing in some of this cooler weather, now settling into the plains and back into the southeastern U.S. Area of low pressure back into, say, in northern Alabama this morning is going to start slinging a little bit of moisture our way towards the weekend. Not expecting any rain, but we will see a few more clouds as we make our way into Saturday and Sunday. But enjoy the sunshine today. Hardly a cloud in the sky through this afternoon. We're in the mid to upper 70s for highs. Again, that northeast breeze. We could actually see some gusts pretty close to 15 miles per hour and then falling off very quickly this evening. In fact, tomorrow morning, waking up again into the low to mid 50s. There's the clouds we're talking about being around. They'll actually be moving in from the east and southeast, so maybe a little different direction than what we're accustomed to here in our region. Back in the 80s, though, for Saturday, likely some lower 80s, pretty close to average for the second half of May. Stagnant weather pattern set up. We call this a blocking pattern. Area of high pressure to our north, low pressure to our south. Just not a lot of movement right now from west to east. And for us, we're going to take full advantage of that. For us, it means that this nice weather sticks around through at least Saturday and Sunday, back to about 80 Saturday, 80 on Sunday, as the pattern starts to shift towards next week. By Monday, even, we're back in the low to mid 80s and then starting to get closer to 90 by Wednesday and Thursday. Rain chances remain very low, though. That's the next 7 days here in our region. In fact, you've got to go all the way towards the end of next week to start seeing some of the humidity return. Once that humidity starts to bump back up, we'll start seeing the chances for a few pop-up showers and storms return in